We are back at the Evonix booth. We haven't actually left the Evonix booth.
There is so much more to see.
Dude, we're having fun. We're having fun.
Exactly.
Now, I am holding the Rex P. Now, I've shot a Rex before, but tell me what's going on with this.
Well, the Rex P this year has been modified to be a shotgun. So,
Dude.
55 caliber, pistol in your hand, shotgun, capable of 1,000 feet per second.
1,000 feet per second coming out of
Yes.
this? Holy cow. Yeah, show
We
us
have
that
these
shot.
little shotgun shells.
Wow. Look at that. That is an air gun shotgun shell right there. We've got the BBs here.
So the shells are made by Serpent Arms in Wisconsin, and they were developing their own gun and it wasn't working out, and they asked us if we could do something, and I asked the owner of Evonix, hey, let's develop a shorty shotgun. 3 months later, here we are.
Dude, that is super exciting. So you just load it up, cock it
Cock
like,
it all the way
like so, put the shell inside. You can see right here, you've got the chamber, and you can see that it's extra wide to allow that shell to go inside, and then just close it up and you're off to the races. So what is the accuracy like from a shotgun pistol like this?
I don't know. What do you say?
At about 20 yards, you're getting about a 24-inch pattern spread.
Wow.
Yeah.
Dude.
I know
That's
we
exciting.
have customers with the standard 50 caliber pistol taking out hogs at 45 yards
Dude,
This is
with a pistol.
this is being developed to go fowl hunting with.
that's amazing, man. Very exciting. Now, tell me about the barrel.
The barrel on these.
So the barrels are actually just a shroud
you
that
go.
comes off. You can unscrew them. You can also make them longer if you want to turn your pistol
That's
into
what
a
I'm
carbine.
talking about.
Yep. There you go.
So you can just take that, swap it out for the longer barrel version, put a stock on the back, and you can have a long system. Wow.
You make
That's
it sound a little bit
super,
easier than
super
Next
exciting,
gun in
man.
the series, you got the longer tank, so you have more of a rifle stock instead of pistol. Longer barrel for more distance and power. And then you can go up even past this.
To something massive.
We have one more, which is the granddaddy of the series.
Wow.
With all
Dude.
sorts of accessory rails.
That's amazing. And all the same shotgun series.
All the Rex series.
Man,
Yep.
all the Rex line. That's very exciting, guys. Look at this. Airgun shotgun shell, 410 gauge, right? More or less the equivalent.
Yep.
To a 28.
28.
28, okay.
55 caliber.
28, 55 caliber, and you could be shotgunning with an air gun.
And the length, 18 inches or
And
less.
it's tiny. Very cool, very exciting. You can pull that out of your hunting backpack and you're off to the races. So, guys,
And two places in to get them from, either Patriot Air Guns or New England Air Guns.
Patriot Air Guns or New England Air Gun, and more info from AmericanAirGunner.com.